study, as it puts together the facts from a variety of relevant fields. In general meaning, interdisciplinary means combining or involving two or more academic disciplines or fields of study, which it requires multiple skill sets or areas of expertise in order to succeed. Hence, how can the organizational behavior related to interdisciplinary? This is because the organizational behavior involves multiple levels of analysis which are necessary to understand behavior within organizations, because people do not act isolation. That is, workers influence their environment and are also influenced by their environment. In modern terms, organizational behavior is defined as an interdisciplinary approach which helps in analyzing the human behavior in organizations, whereby it analyzes in terms of various fields. They are comprised of 5 interdisciplinary subjects of study. Firstly, in terms of psychology. Secondly, is sociology. Thirdly, is anthropology. And fourthly is political science, and last but not least is economy. How organizational behavior is an interdisciplinary subject? First and foremost, is by looking in terms of psychology. Psychology is the study of human mind and behavior. Usually, psychology is the science that seeks to measure, explain, and sometimes change the behavior of humans, which it attempts and to understand the individual behavior. The organizational behavior will deal in subjects like emotion, personality, attitude, motivation, values, and job satisfaction. In regard to this, organization psychologists concern themselves with problems such as fatigue, boredom, perception, learning, motivation, performance appraisal, employee selection, job designing, and work stress. In other words, it refers on how organizational behavior will predict one's mind and attitude towards the organization in order to prevent the imminent problems that might arise. Besides, is in terms of sociology. Sociology is the study of development, structure, interaction, and collective behavior of organized groups of human beings. In other words, it deals with the learning of social behavior relationship among social groups and society. It is because the sociology takes the society rather than the individual, whereby the sociologist is concerned with the variety of roles within a society or culture, the norms and standards of behavior in order to improve the organizational performance. Some of the areas within organizational behavior that have received inputs from sociologists are group dynamics, design of work teams, organizational culture, formal organizations theory and structure, bureaucracy, communication, power, conflict, and inter-group behavior. In brief meaning, the sociology means the study of society which helps to understand the group dynamics behavior and how they impact organization. This can be referred on how the individual perform different roles in a group environment in order to see their different techniques using teamwork. Furthermore, is in terms of anthropology. Anthropology is the science of human learned behavior and is especially important to understand organizational culture. Anthropologists study societies to learn about human beings and their activities. Their work on cultures and environments has helped us understand differences in fundamental values, attitudes, and behavior between people in different countries and within different organizations. Some of the familiar fields of anthropology and organizational behavior are individual culture, organizational environment, comparative values and attitudes, as well as cross-cultural analysis. Organization behavior will seeking immediate attention out of cultural system, the beliefs, ideas, and values within a group or society, and the contrast between the behavior among different cultures. Hence, organization behavior will adapt those values and traits when trying to improve employee productivity and output. Furthermore, is in terms of political science. It is the study of individual behavior and groups within a political environment. Political science have become increasingly aware that organizations are political entities, and if we are able to accurately explain and predict the behavior of people in organizations, we need to bring a political perspective to the particular analysis. Many subjects of attention are directly connected to organizational behavior, which are power and politics, networking, political manipulation, conflict resolution, coalition, and self-interest enhancement. For an illustration, when the individual who are highly motivated and who is having an authority will use the power to find a hospitable environment in business. Therefore, the political science provides an insight for the improvement and modification of the organizational behavior. Last but not least is in terms of economic. Economic is the study of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Organizational behavior has refined to a great extent from various economics factors such as labor markets dynamics, cost benefits analysis, marginal utility analysis, human resources planning, and forecasting. If psychological and economic expectations of employees are met, they are satisfied and become high performance. Economic systems include financial, commercial, and industrial activities which have greater influences on the behavior of the people. For an example, the consumption pattern in society monitors the behavior of employees. Likewise, the consumption-oriented society witnesses a different employee behavior from the production-oriented society.